Couple of quick notes about running BlueJ. So first, if you have a laptop or some other computer you're going to be using regularly, you can go ahead and download it. Just Google download BlueJ. Remember to spell it B-L-U-E-J, and then click the download link. For whatever reason, this doesn't actually bring you the download. You got to go up here and click download again. Check it out. We've got versions for Windows, Mac, and for different types of Linuxes. The differences between these is basically this version here, which is much smaller, is just BlueJ. The larger version contains a JDK bundled in and a Java development kit. So it basically includes Java with it. So if you are completely certain you have Java and you know 100% sure that it works, you can just go with the smaller one. If you're not sure if you have Java, go ahead and include the bigger one. And what happens the first time you run it, it will ask you to go find Java, which will actually be stored inside BlueJ. You'll find it inside the BlueJ folder, and it'll just go ahead and work. So that's one way you can run BlueJ. You can do it using BlueJ itself, which you can download and install on your machine. Now, if you want to run it from Knox Anywhere, but you still want to use your laptop or some other computer, on Windows you would click Knox Anywhere and run it that way. On a Mac, this actually just brings up a Google Doc, which, as we Mac people all know, just means you need to go find Microsoft Remote Desktop and run that, and BlueJ comes up. So we're going to run it. Bum-ba-da-ba, bum-ba-da, bum-ba-da-ba. Come on now. There we go. Oh, crap. Pretend that's not open. Okay, so now let me show you how to open a project. You'll do project, open project, and remember, when you're running through Knox Anywhere, that means BlueJ is not physically running on your computer. It's actually running on a server somewhere. So when you do file open, you might not be seeing all of your files. So you need to start with this PC, and you're going to have one of these things here called home, on, and then whatever the name of your computer is. Whatever your laptop thinks its name is. Mine is called SPACtop 6, not to be confused with the first 5 SPACtops, and I'm pretty sure this is in downloads, and you can see I am a case study for why you should keep your downloads folder organized. But if you look through here, there it is, Turtles. So I can go ahead and open this. So now I have BlueJ running on Knox Anywhere, over on the giant server farm somewhere in the basement of SMAC. So I have that running, but I've opened a file that's on my local machine, and I can go ahead and compile it. And you can see it's a little bit slow. It's actually a lot of bit slow because it has to send all the information back and forth. Because I've got the program running on one computer and I have the files stored in another, so all communication between the program and any data has to be done over the network, which can be a little bit slow. So there you have it. I'll go ahead and close this and go ahead and quit. So remember, if you have the opportunity, go ahead and install BlueJ, download it and install it locally to your machine. Otherwise, if you want to run it through Knox Anywhere, remember there'll be that little link to open it, a local file you'll have to do through this computer. That's all I've got. Thank you.